Conference. But joining me now here at the big table is Bob Riney. He is the president and COO of Henry Ford Health System. Bob, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Glad that you're with us.
Thanks. Happy to be here.
So I've got a great stack of newspapers here, and what seems to be the headline here is Health System's Midtown Plan takes shape. This is a good headline for you guys this morning.
We're very excited.
So tell me about the announcement that came yesterday, the warehouse that's going to be built, and again, just capitalizing on the momentum in Midtown.
Capitalizing is the right word, and what we have started is a multi-year journey to develop about 300 acres of land across from Henry Ford Hospital, our flagship, and an area that is right on the edge of what's happening in Midtown. So we see this as a natural extension and expansion of everything that's going on. And yesterday was the announcement of a first anchor tenant, Cardinal Health, which is a major supply distribution center and logistics company for healthcare, is going to build a distribution center and warehouse, a $26 million investment in that particular area. They're going to bring 140 jobs with it, and it's going to be the start, a tipping point for the overall development of that parcel of land.
You know, it's always great to see development news like this in the city of Detroit, and especially around the Midtown area, but it always makes me wonder how these deals start. I mean, when does the conversation start? Who comes up with we need to get in on the movement on Midtown, and how far back has this been in the works?
It's a good question. We started this journey about 5 years ago, and it was really taking a look at our neighborhood and saying that we have to become better partners in our neighborhood. We have to help expand everything that we're doing beyond our walls and have spin-off economic development, because quite frankly, you don't have great health in a community if you don't have great economic viability and stability. So it became part of our mission, and as we looked at this area, we felt that this area was perfect for that kind of development. And then quite frankly, confidence and excitement builds confidence and excitement. And seeing what's happening downtown, seeing what's happening in Midtown, and now the connecting, the filling in of the gaps that exist between kind of thriving areas is something that not just for us, but for the investor community and for developers, gives them great confidence that we can do this.
You know, something that I've talked about with several business leaders over the last 3 days is this feeling of it's not just bottom line anymore. It's not just what makes proper business sense and dollars and cents and money. It seems like the businesses that are investing in Detroit now, they know that they have to look at the community and say, we're all part of it. We can't just go home at 5 o'clock, get in our car and leave where we are, that there has to be a bigger investment beyond just business.
You're absolutely right. I think there's a great alignment right now of personal missions of leaders, business missions, and citizen mission, and everyone has really come to an alignment that what we did in the past didn't work. It didn't create the kind of city that attracts young educated professionals. It didn't attract the kind of citizens that are going to repopulate our city, and it didn't take the brand that we know we need across the nation, across the world, quite frankly, to where it needed to be. So I think that you're absolutely right. People are very focused now on it's not just about the immediate return on investment. It's about repurposing this wonderful place that we all call home.
Are we unique in that sense? Is Detroit, in the couple seconds that we have left?
Detroit has always had great will and determination. I think we're just synergizing and energizing it in the right lane now.
All right, Bob Riney from the Henry Ford Health System, thank you so much for joining us. We appreciate it. Congratulations on the great news. And we like to see the growth in Midtown.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy the rest of the conference,
the last day. It's a great conference.
Absolutely. Thanks so much, Bob.